Hello friends, in this video I'm going to do common string functions in Tableau. I'll just give you those that I found useful, and it always depends on the use case scenario, on your own use case scenario, but this is the function that I found useful. So I have already dragged customer names to rows here, and we're going to look at our first string function, which is contains. So what contains does, it looks at the string and checks the specified characters if they are contained in that string. So I'm going to write contains customer name. Want to check if it contains anything MAN. So it will return a Boolean value, true or false. Anything that contains MAN, like this one, Aaron Beckman, it contains MAN, so it's going to return true to that. Everything will be false. So let's say, let me change to contains. Let me change it to another substring here, RON. You see that these first four, 1, 2, 3, they've got RON, and so therefore it's going to return true. Another string function or calculation that retains a Boolean is ENDSWITH. So we're gonna do ENDSWITH customer name again. Wanna check if it ends with, let me do this one, ANCE. So we're gonna check here that this one, Adam Bellavence, ends with an ANCE, therefore it's true here. Though on contains, it doesn't contain RON, so that it will be false. Let's check another one. Find. Find is also another interesting calculation. So it will find or look for the substring in any given string field, and it will give you a measure. So I'm going to turn it to a dimension here and drop it on my on the rows. So if you go back to find, I'm looking for ART in the customer name. So it would give me the position. It will give me the position number of where that substring starts. So it's gonna give me, let's say, if it starts on position number 1, it's gonna give me return position number 1. So in our example here, we have Adam Hart here. So if we count the number of strings here, the position of art is number 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, which is A. That's why we get number 7 here. All right, let's go to the next one. Left. The left function, I use it. One of the functions that I use the most. We need to customer name here. Actually, it will only returns the number of you have to specify the length of your string. So let's say I want to return the first 3 characters for customer name. I'll just say left customer name number 3. So you can see it goes on the first name here, Aaron, and it brings back AR. The first left 3 characters in the string. Let's go to the next one. Let's do lower. All right, we want to lowercase all the customer names, so everything will be changed to lowercase. Same thing since we are here, same thing with upper. So it will turn everything to uppercase. Let's also check another one. We want string. Max, let's say it will return the maximum number of an item. Same thing with mean, it will return the mean. Let's check the proper one. So we have changed everything to upper here using this upper. So I want to use that one, upper. Then we want to do proper so that it will come back to our own capitalized first word. So remember I'm doing this upper and I'm converting it to proper. So that's how you do it. And let's check another one. Let's do replace are easy, trim is easy, space is easy. Let me do split. Actually, I can do an empty space here. Or rather, let me put it back again. So split, what you need to do on a split is to specify which you want to return. So you have to specify the number. So split customer name, I want to split by space, but there's a space here, and return the first one. All right, apply, okay. So it will return the first string prior to the space that we have. Let's see if we can squeeze one or two more. This already is already it's already trimmed, so it won't really there won't anything to show to that. Let me see if I can find another one. Okay, starts with. Wanna see any customer name that starts with ALE? So these are all false, but we have true here for Alexandro, whatever. Alex, it starts with ALE, so it will return a boolean, true or false for customer name that starts with ALE.